Welcome back to Rochielin. Happy New Year to all of you that are watching from wherever in the world that you're watching. So happy to have you as usual. And I'm happy to be back on camera. I have not filmed in a little while. It's good to be back on camera on YouTube. In fact, I have been on Instagram. So if you haven't been following me, you should follow me. It's at Rochielin on Instagram.
I won't believe it, but I left the key. Where did I put the key?
I don't know, and you just interrupted my video.
Hi, I'm back. Howdy.
So, I was planning to introduce him later, officially introduce him later. Can you go?
Why are you in such a rush to get me out of the room? Hello? Why is she trying to get me out of the room?
I don't know why you have a British accent today.
Because I'm British.
Okay, bye.
My name is Livingston Remington.
Both?
Both.
If you have not been following me on Instagram, I'm gonna implore you to do so because I have been posting a lot more there, especially like day-to-day things as opposed to on here where it's more of a weekly thing. You know, Instagram is where it's at, and also TikTok. I'm also trying to build out TikTok these days. New Year 2023, so grateful to be here, so grateful to be alive, and you should be too. 2022 was quite a year, and for me that was a year of changes. One of the biggest changes was a change in my location. As you guys know, for those of you who have watched the live that I posted a few weeks ago, and if you've been following the channel, you would have seen that I am indeed in a new location, in a different country, different environment from what you guys are used to seeing me in these videos. So I have moved from Jamaica, now living in the US. Yes, I know you guys miss the Jamaica content. I get the emails, the messages, all of it. I see it all. And I'm so happy that you guys found such good value in the content I was bringing while I was in Jamaica. I'm very happy to have been able to provide such value. You know, Jamaica will always be home. Jamaica is my birth country. Love it, love it, love it. However, you know, one must grow up and explore and do things and try things and take risks and all of these things. And at that point now where it's time to do something a little bit differently, and that's what I'm doing now. So I have moved, I'm no longer there. So for those that keep asking about the Jamaica content, there will be none on the channel until I go back, which will be soon, but just not yet. I do hope that you continue to support me on my journey as I venture into new things and get new opportunities and, you know, explore and live and do it all. I have been doing a series where I called Around the World with Rochielin, where basically go around the world touring unique homes and spaces, and I started here in the US and I toured quite a bit. You know how I usually film my things in episodes and seasons, so I just completed season 1 of that. The last one was posted on New Year's Eve, and I had fun filming those videos. I had a good experience working with the different hosts and going to these different places and getting these different opportunities, and it was just so good. Overall, that series to date has gained almost 1 million views, so I'm so grateful for those of you that came with me to every single property and toured with me and gave your comments and your feedback and all of that. Like, I really, really, really appreciate it. For those of you that have not watched it yet, I'm gonna encourage you to watch it. I'll leave it in the description bar below. I will be doing a lot of traveling, so I will be going around the world to tour more places, so just stay tuned for that. And can I tell you, like, even doing that series and stepping out of my home country and trying something different, like, there's a lot that goes into that, because you think, what if it doesn't do well? What if they don't take it the same way? Now you're going to do something different, you know? There's a whole lot that happens, but at some point you have to just do it. I'm all about just go, let's do it, try it. I prefer to try and it don't work than to not try and live with regrets, you know? I'm a strong believer of do it, take risks, try things, especially now that I'm young-ish. you know, I have a little bit more room and flexibility to do certain things than I would have after, you know, some time. So I decided, let me do some things and try some things and go around the place, and I did it and I enjoyed it, and I'm happy you guys were able to get that content. So now I am in the US of A, particularly in North Carolina. And yes, I'm here with my husband. As I mentioned to you guys earlier, you guys were asking, am I married? Because I've not made an official announcement or things like that. Well, yes, I am married, and I will officially introduce him towards the end of the video when he gets back, because he's not here right now. But you guys have seen him many times in the videos. I just did not announce that this is my partner because, I don't know, I just didn't. And if you guys don't know by now, as much as I'm a public figure and I do these videos and I'm showcasing these things and, you know, I'm in the public sphere, I'm still a very private person when it comes to my personal life. But I'm learning to open up a little bit more. So you guys are family. So I'm trying to bring you guys along inside a little more and show you a little more of me. You guys have been asking, and I'm here to deliver. I feel like I've been rambling, and I don't usually do this type of rambling videos. But hey, it's the beginning of the new year, and I think we should chat. That's what families do, we talk. I'm here, actually, about to wash some chicken and season it and make some curry chicken and rice. In fact, maybe I'm not too sure if I'm the one that's gonna be making the curry chicken yet, but we'll see. But for now, I'm about to wash this chicken. So obviously with moving to a different country, it means that I moved into a new house. We did go house hunting from last year, found a place, and we're now living together in this house. I probably should have documented that journey, to be honest. I'm so sorry I did not. I did a few clippings here and there with my phone, but I didn't do the whole thing. So I don't have that kind of video to show you, because, you know, especially when you just move, it's so hectic, there's so much to do. You just want to just immerse yourself in that, put away the cameras. Plus I was filming other series at the same time, so I was just like, keep the private life private, do the other thing. But before I continue, guess who is here, who just came through the door, and fam, how are you back so soon? Come, let me introduce her to my peeps. So, for those of you that have been asking, here's my husband. This is Sean.
Hello. Hi.
You
Name
guys
is Sean.
cut the British accent, no. Done it, no. Thanks. So you guys have seen him in many videos before, just didn't make an official announcement, but this is Sean. He also goes by the name Eat with Dunks because he has his own channel where he started last year, and he's doing cooking. He cooks a lot. Hence the reason why
Why?
I have a little bit more pounds, I have some more pounds on me than I did before, and you guys keep asking if I'm pregnant. Well, he's the reason why. I mean, he would be the reason why I'm pregnant too, but you know, that's besides the point.
I beg to differ. Here's why. I cook the food, but I don't eat it for you. Okay?
Yeah, but you cook the food and give it to me to eat, so I eat it and then I gain weight.
Yeah, but
I'm not complaining. I'm really not complaining. The food is really good. And this is happy weight, okay? So head over to his channel, check out his stuff. It's called Eat with Dunks. He's also on Instagram and all of that. So
and Eat with Dunks, and you know the regular, like, subscribe, and comment on every one of the videos, and say hello so I can tell you guys hello and meet you guys. So
tell him you're from Rochielin channel.
sure, I know you guys came from Rochielin channel. But you can also mention it.
You know what's crazy? He didn't used to do content before and I got him into doing it now. And you see, he has the script, like, comment, subscribe. Like, he know what to say now. Isn't that cool? Like, I converted him. You can't, why you in my clothes?
Cause your body feel warm and nice.
Okay, bye.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, bye.
Excellent. Touch me the chicken hand, man.
So as I'm editing the video, I realized that I didn't get to complete my thought because Sean interrupted the video earlier. So let me just quickly say that as I'm now in a new country, I'm trying to figure life out and trying to figure out this new path and everything that's going on around me. I'm asking you guys to just bear with me, continue to support me, and be with me as I go on this journey. The content is obviously changing and will change until I find exactly what it is that I will be doing. There'll be a mixture of different things. There will still be the Around the World with Rochielin series where I'm traveling and touring beautiful homes and spaces and places. You guys know me and you know that I'm very much interested in real estate and everything home, so you can expect a lot of that kind of content about me just figuring it out here in the US. It's very new to me, and I also have some project working on that will be shown later on the channel. It's a lot of different things and I'm still trying to figure it out, so just bear with me and continue to support as you usually do. Comment below what are some of the things that you'd love to see on the channel as well, so that I can get some ideas. All right, thank you again and keep on watching. We have Tavia on the phone. For those of you that remember Tavia, she's on line 1. Call her.
Call her, say hello.
Say hello.
Hi, hello.
We're gonna make some curry chicken and rice.
Alright.
With some potato salad, make it nice.
Alright. That's what we're doing.
That's what we are doing right now.
So Sean just peeled the potatoes.
Just we need that, you know. I'm gonna cut this up some more. In a smaller pieces.
Have it. And I just cleaned the chicken with vinegar and lime. And now I'm gonna cut up some seasoning. And I feel like I'm so far from you guys, but don't worry, I'm over here. You can watch Sean in the foreground.
Except me not eat soup.
Nobody eats soup.
You actually eat soup.
We drink soup and we eat the food that's inside of the soup.
No, you eat soup.
I drink the soup.
Do you eat or you drink soup?
I drink soup.
Let me know in the comment section if you eat or you drink soup.
We don't.
It depends on the soup.
We drink the soup.
Because what some people call soup in a cream of pumpkin soup, man. So,
But we still drink it.
No, we eat soup.
We drink soup and we eat the contents of the soup. We eat the dumpling and the things that are inside.
We drink tea and we eat soup.
And because you don't drink soup, make you say that. You don't know soup taste.
No, I don't drink soup, I eat soup.
Are you done with this thing?
What is that thing?
This.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna start to clean up.
And that's why I like her in the kitchen, you know.
Why?
Why? When I not think for clean it up, she clean it up.
Okay. And you just cook and dirty up everything one time. I don't like when we finish in the kitchen dirty. Like when we finish, the kitchen clean. When I'm cooking, I use every single piece of utensil in the kitchen.
How do you think we have it for? She said she wants some. She said she needs some. And me tell her that she wants some.
Where these pot covers come from?
And she... piece of chicken, it finger licking. Loud.
Okay.
Hey, yeah.
My favorite dish is curry chicken with white rice and lots of Scotch bonnet pepper.
I mean, you still not pepper. So I'm big girl one.
But I did it all my way. Oh wow. Told you when you came my way. Can nobody take your place? Oh wow. You know like the game them play. Give it to you straight all day. Oh wow. Body do the talking, babe. Baby Baby, if you make man praise, oh wow, yeah. Today, oh wana odo ejinye la lo me.
It's time for dinner. Thank you. So guys, dinner is served. Thank you.
Of course.
So we have curry chicken, fried chicken, potato salad, white rice, broccoli, and avocado. That's a lot, I know. But I'm excited because I know that you won't disappoint. But I'm gonna start with the potato salad. Well, anyways, guys, this is where I'm gonna end the vlog for tonight. Maybe we're gonna finish eating, and if anything, we'll check back in. If we don't, thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me at Rochielin. Follow Sean at Eat with Dunks. The link will be in the description bar below, and tell him that Rochielin sent you. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.